Excited? All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. So the other day I was at work and it was 2 a.m. I got off work, walked into the parking garage, went to go crank my car, turn it over, and it didn't start. It's like, oh shoot, what's up? So I heard my solenoid clicking. So then I called the security over to try to jump my car, which didn't work. Then I called AAA to send out a battery vehicle to try to give me a new battery or test my battery or whatever. Turns out my starter was dead. So at about 4 or 5 in the morning, me and the tow truck driver had to push this car, down 3 flights in that parking garage to get it out of the parking garage to be able to get it up on his towing truck. So that was a hassle. Anyways, that brings us to today where I'm gonna change my starter. First step is removing the negative on your battery terminal because we're working with some electrical equipment. Don't want to end up electrocuting yourself. Next, you grab your 12 mil. Go up here to the bypass valve on your intercooler. Remove those 2 bolts, both sides. Then either side of your intercooler have the same 12 mil. I'm just gonna get a little bit longer one. Then there's 3 tubes. These 2, fire one over here. Want to disconnect all of those. Pop right off. Third one's back here. Screwdriver. You got about 3 tube clamps. There's one here. One up here. Mine is so dirty you can barely see it, but there it is. There's a shine of it. And then this one, I'm lucky enough to have my whole clamp flipped over, and my bolt is on the underside, so I'm gonna have fun trying to flip that over. But third one's right here from your turbo. This is the crucial one. You want to get all the way loose because it's the hardest tube to get off. And this takes a little bit of elbow grease, but once you got everything off, you should be able to just lift it up a little bit, push it towards the car, and that'll pop off, and then you pull it towards the driver's side to get off that turbo tube. There's the intercooler. Mine has some oil on the inside. So I may have to look into why that's happening. Figure out where that's coming from. No wonder my car burns oil. Okay, starter's right here. Should have 2 bolts, one up top right here, one on the back side. Looks like these are 14 mils. Don't forget that WD-40 or you will struggle like I just did. Load it up with some WD-40. Also, Subaru is great because their hoods go pretty much vertical. Now just be careful of that. it doesn't come back and hit you in the head. Oh, I forgot my socket was broken. Let's try that again with a different wrench. Nope, still need to leverage. That is one tight bolt. Thank you. Thank you. Oh gosh. Good Lord, this is a long bolt. Finally. Hey, look at that guy. So this is a different size socket. Let's see if it's a 17. Nope. It was a 14. Oops. Whew. I don't know if lever's gonna work here. I don't think I could add my extension piece. Yep. Don't have room for it. I got an idea. Don't try this at home, kids. Victory! Ugh. That feels good. Uh-oh, hat down. There we go. Loose enough to calm off tension bay. Reapply your hat. Go on. Also, if your baby starts crying, take a break and tend to your baby. Hi, Missy. Hi, Missy. Hi. 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 This should be the last bolt for the wire, right to the solenoid. Once that wire's released, and that connection is pulled off, free. I'm gonna have to take the starter to a auto parts store to get it tested, see if it still works, because this wire from the solenoid to the starter itself is totally corroded right off. So if that's my only issue, there's no reason to buy a new $100 starter if this one still works. Well, guess it's time to buy a new one. Got the new piece. Time to bolt it back up. All right, back together. Let's see if it'll fire right up. We'll see if the battery even has enough juice left in it. It's sitting for a couple days. Oh, that's not promising. Turns out that I forgot to connect the solenoid negative terminal. So I wasn't getting any power anyways. Oh, that boy started in like 2 cranks. That was nice. Oh. Well guys, I'm gonna leave now that my car starts. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Also, it started pouring halfway through and I am freaking soaked. I don't think there's anything that's drying me. Not even my feet, nothing. All just dripping wet. Anyways, stay tuned for the next video.